If you've made it this far in our presentation-based course series, you've put in a lot of work outlining your course, building slides, recording, editing. Now it's time to share your course with the world, and you don't need to know how to build a website or install e-commerce plugins to do it. Just follow along with this video and I'll guide you through how to prepare and publish your course so you can start making sales. Let's get into it. Hello creators, I'm Ben Tilson from Podia, where we empower creators like you to make a living doing what you love. In today's video, we're going to recap what you'll want to have done before publishing, talk about what you'll want to have prepared when you're ready to publish, and walk through the process of publishing with Podia. If you'd like to follow along, you can sign up for a free 14-day trial at podia.com/signup. First, let's recap what we've done up to this point. Outline and structure your course. This step allows you to determine the focus of your online course and how lessons and modules will be organized. Script your course lessons. In this step, you scripted out each individual lesson so you could deliver your course material more efficiently. Build your lesson slides. This step has you building presentations to accompany each of your lessons. Record your lessons. In this step, you screen recorded your slide presentation as you delivered your lesson content. Edit your videos. This step has you removing unwanted mistakes and making sure you're creating the best viewing experience possible for your student. If you've missed any of these steps or haven't started yet, start with the first video in the series and work your way through. You'll be glad you did. Now that we're all caught up, you still have a bit of prep work to do before publishing. Before you publish, use the course outline template as a guide and determine how you're going to structure your course as you upload your lessons. If you have any additional resources for your students, such as PDF downloads, quizzes, or links, have those ready to go for the publishing process. You may also want to check out this video we made about building a sales page to see if there are any additional videos, images, or copy you'll want to prepare before launching to give your course the best chance at being a success. Finally, make sure all of your lesson files and resources are saved in the folder that's titled with their corresponding module, and that you've got your file browser window open and ready to drag and drop once we begin the upload process. Ready to publish? Here we go. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Podia dashboard. From here, click on the Products tab. Once on the product page, you'll click on the New Product button. This will bring up a pop-up where you'll select Online Course. Type in your course title, then click Create and Continue. This will bring you to the content page for your course. From here, you can add sections, files, links, and other content for your course. Using the course outline template, we're going to create sections that correspond with the different modules for your course. Click the Add Section button, title your section with the name of your module, add a description of that module, and then click Save. To add the next section, click on the Add Content drop-down closest to the top of the page and click Add Section. Now you can upload your lessons and other files to your sections. In the corresponding section, click the Add Content drop-down and select which type of content you'd like to upload for that section. Just drag and drop your file to the pop-up window, and once it's finished uploading, click Upload. Click the Edit button next to your file to edit the title, add a description, or add a thumbnail. Repeat this in each corresponding section until all of your files have been uploaded. Now your course is uploaded, but we've still got a few steps to go before it's finally published. Next, you'll click on the Settings tab. From here, you can list categories, set a start date for your course, close or reopen enrollment, and add ConvertKit or Drip integrations. You'll also notice at the top of this page it says to set a product image, write a storefront description, and change how your product appears on your storefront, visit the editor. If you click the link, it will take you to an editor where you can edit the appearance of your course sales page. Here you can change fonts, colors, logos, and add various types of sections and pages to help sell your online course. You can also access this by clicking on your name drop-down in the upper right of the page and selecting Edit Store. Back on your course sales page, let's click on the Pricing tab. Here you'll set the price for your course, select the currency type based on where you'll be selling your course, and also have the ability to add an optional payment plan. You can also add upsells for existing products and coupons if you'd like to offer discounts. We don't need to visit the other tabs for now, but I'll give you a quick rundown. The Promote tab will link you to articles and resources to help you promote and launch your course successfully. The Customers tab provides resources for getting more customers for your course, and the Comments tab lets you view and interact with comments made by people who enroll in your course. Now let's click on the preview dropdown. These links will show you how your course and sales pages will appear to potential customers. If everything looks good and your course is ready to go, click on the draft dropdown and either select pre-launch so you can collect emails and promote your course before your launch, or select published and make your course available for purchase. Once published, you can click the products tab at the top of the page and you should now be able to see your published course. You made it! If you've followed along and now have a published course, congratulations. And if you're not quite there yet, but you've at least gotten started on your first course, congratulations to you too. Making an online course is a big undertaking, and we want to help you succeed in any way we can. Don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comments if you ever get stuck along the way. If you found this video helpful and you want more content like this, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be sure not to miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.